Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight in your 2018 Honda Accord. Start out by popping your trunk open, and then we're going to have to remove this plastic trim cover on the inside of the taillight, and using a plastic pry tool, which you can get these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. You just want to pry out on the edge of it, on the bottom and the top, and it pops off. And inside here is 2 Phillips screws that need to come out. And once you have those out, you're going to want to push the taillight towards the outside of the car and just give it a bump, and it pops right off. And then there's this wire plug that you have to unplug before taking it off. Just push on the tab and pull out, and it unplugs it. And then lastly, there's a clip that holds this wiring harness on. You can just take a flathead screwdriver and pry out on it. And it comes right out. That's it guys. Taillight's out. Thanks for watching.